Courage and perseverance have a magical talisman before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish into thin air. John Quincy Adams. My friends, courage, perseverance, just stick with it. You can do this. I'm going to go through the charts quickly today. I'm sorry the reports got out so late last night. It took that long for it to load up the video from here on the ship. I'm going to be saving this at 480p, so it is going to not be in the definition you typically get, but I want it to be able to load up. I am on Starlink. I am at sea somewhere north of the island of Hispaniola on the way to Puerto Rico and then St. Martin. And regardless, we're coming to you live from the high seas. Let's jump into these charts. We see stocks and bonds are down, gold and Bitcoin are up. As we look at stocks, we have another down day. Not much down, but down nonetheless. Down 0.12% for the day. Again, as we look at the volume, you don't see a lot of volume here today. Of course, don't forget the market's going to be closed on New Year's Day. That is Thursday, just like last Thursday. That was Christmas. They'll be open again on Friday. We don't expect a lot of volume this week, but we are paying attention as to what this market is doing. We hit a high last week. We haven't hit that high this week. 2 down days. I'm thinking we're just going to cruise along. I don't expect any major crashes on a week like this, the last week of the year and the beginning of the new year, where everybody's out on vacation. But nonetheless, we are bringing this to you. So we're continuing to monitor. I have gone ahead and emailed off. The first thing I did was get the email off to the Patreon members and also uploaded on the Patreon page for 5-day plus analysis on all these charts. So we're just sort of hanging around, just about flat, down a little bit. The Qs down a little bit, 0.23%. Again, not hitting the high last week. Low volume. You can see we haven't had average volume. Have to go back to before Christmas, the morning of the 23rd, as things were continuing to crank up a little bit. Well, they're cranking down the last 2 days. Not much, but not moving up. We want to see if we've reached the top. Are these charts in the new year going to roll over and start heading down? We're going to go short, or are we going to see things continue to pump up? I wouldn't be surprised if they go down. And when we get some real clues to that, we're going to let you know. What about TLT, 20-year U.S. government bonds? They are down some for the day. They pushed through on Monday. The weekly trend line on the half-day chart, 2-day chart, we see the Friday, Monday candle sitting right there. That candle sitting right there on the weekly trend line. This one is above it as the latest 2-day candle starts forming. The weekly sitting a little doji there. Looks like it's just a little bit above the weekly trend line. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. We are still negative on bonds. What about gold? Gold up a little today, down strong on Monday, 4.25%, something like that, just hammered down. See where things were bounding around in the morning. We see a red down candle in the afternoon. These are Heikin Ashi candlesticks, technically up 0.07% above that weekly trend line. We've not penetrated it on the weekly, the 2-day, or the half-day chart. We can see the volume, not a lot to see there on the half-day. On the 2-day. We look at the half-day. We had average volume in the morning, slowing down in the afternoon. And we can see how the volumetric average is heading down. So we could get to average volume by the end of the week in a dropping volume market. So again, we'll continue to watch, but recovering a little bit for the day, but still gold took a hammering on Monday. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin up a little bit, 0.93%. I keep asking you, friends, are we setting a base here, getting ready to move up? Can't tell you that's happening, but I can tell you we've not hit that low from the week beginning 17th of November since then. So again, we do have a downtrend line, a very slight downtrend line, but down nonetheless. And we haven't broken it, so we will keep an eye on it. That's where we are as we wrap up things on Wednesday, go into Thursday, the last day of the year 2025. And don't forget, market's going to be closed on, we go into Wednesday. Markets are closed on Thursday. Thank you so much, friends. God bless. All the best from the whole team Charting Wealth.